My name is Lillian. As you know, when we cut apples into slices, they turn brown after a while because they oxidize. My question is, what happens to apple slices if we soak them in different solutions? I will take slices from this giant apple and soak them in apple cider vinegar. Yum, yum. Green tea. Lemon juice, orange juice, club soda, refreshing, salt water, sugar water, canola oil, and my safety glasses. Oops. I will also take one slice and not do anything to it so I can compare it to the others. I predict that acidic solutions will keep the apples from oxidizing. The acidic solutions are the vinegar, the green tea, the lemon juice, and the orange juice. I'm not sure what will happen with the soda water, the salt water, and the sugar water, but I think the oil will not keep it from turning brown. So I cut up the apple slices, and I'm going to dip them into the solutions and put them on a plate. Here goes. So, right now is 4:36, and then we're going to check on this in 2 hours so we can see the results. About 2 hours passed, and so we see some results here. The canola oil one is starting to turn brown. The sugar water is also starting to turn brown. The salt water is mostly white. The club soda is also starting to turn brown. The orange juice is starting to turn brown. The lemon juice is mostly white. The green tea is pretty much white. The apple cider vinegar is pretty much brown now. And the plain apple is brown. So, the results we're going to check again in about 2 hours.
As we saw, the green tea, the lemon juice, and the saltwater slices did not change at all, but the plain apple changed the most.
About 4 hours passed since we started the experiment, and this is a freshly sliced apple, and I'm going to compare it with the apples. So the oil one turned brown, a little bit brown. The sugar water turned a little bit brown. The salt water stayed mostly white. The club soda has turned brown. The orange juice is pretty much brown. The lemon juice has stayed white. The green tea has stayed white. The apple cider vinegar is brown. And the normal apple is brown.
Again, the green tea, the lemon juice, and the saltwater slices still have not changed at all, but the plain apple and vinegar slices changed even more.
So, I expected the vinegar, the green tea, the lemon juice, and the orange juice to stay white, but only 2 stayed white. And the salt water, if you don't mind the taste, stayed white. This experiment was useful because it identified what solutions you can use to keep apple slices from turning brown if you're not going to eat them right away, like when you pack them for a picnic. You can use lemon juice, green tea, or even salt water if you don't mind the taste. Thank you for listening to my presentation. This is the saltwater apple. Why am I not surprised that this is salty? I don't think so. This is the lemon juice apple. Oh, that's sour. I'm not using this one. This is the green tea apple. Wow, are we sure we put this in green tea? It tastes just like apple.
Bibliographies.